दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी हम नए वीडियोस डालें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
In this video, let us discuss some questions related to game-based aptitude section of Capgemini recruitment. As the name itself indicates, through the section of game-based aptitude, different intelligence and skills such as memory, language, perception, etc. of a student can be accessed. In questions of motion challenge, we have to unblock a ball and take it to a particular destination. It is like a game. Let us consider an example challenge. As we can see here, a grid is given with some blocks in it. By reordering the blocks, we have to take the red ball to its destination, which is marked as a black hole. Okay. As we can observe from the figure, there are 4 blocks given. Let us name them with respect to their colors as brown block, yellow block, purple block and green block. As a first step, let us take the brown block and the yellow block to the extreme left end like this. After this, the red ball can be taken to the second row like this. After this, if we move the brown block one step upwards, the red ball can be taken to the destination like this. So likewise, we have to reorder the blocks and we have to take the red ball to the specified destination. Okay. Next section of motion challenge. Here the red ball has to be taken to the black hole. The given motion challenge can be solved like this, where the green block is taken one step downward, the blue ball is taken one step leftward, and the purple block is taken one step leftward, so that the red ball can be taken to the black hole without any obstacles. So this will be the pattern in which this motion challenge can be solved. Let us solve another question of motion challenge. In this case, the motion challenge can be solved like this. Purple block can be taken one step leftward, then the blue block can be taken one step rightward, the green block can be taken one step downward and then one step leftward. Then the yellow block can be taken one step downward and one step leftward. After doing all these steps, there will be no obstacles for the red block to be taken to the black hole. So this motion challenge can be solved like this. Overall, the block has to be taken to the black hole, removing all the obstacles with respect to the blocks.